In this video, we are going to show you how to add posters in CorelDRAW via the templates option. Now, if you want to use an existing template in CorelDRAW specifically for posters, it's quite simple. You need to, we're using the web version. You can also do this on the app if you download the app. So if you want to try out CorelDRAW, it is web.coreldraw.com. And then create an account. And then once you've logged in, this is what you're going to see. Start a document, right? So here you have two options here. You have open from this device or browse templates. We want to click on browse templates over here like so. It's going to give us this pop-up. So these are templates that are available that you can just use and edit yourself to, just match what you were looking for. And here you see a search bar up top that says search templates. Just type in poster, press enter, right? It's going to update the template list to match what we are looking for. So as you can see here, these are posters that we can use. So for example, we want to use this one, right? Super sale. All we need to do is click open, and it's going to open a file. After that, we can now edit the file, add something, change something, everything of this sort. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.